Hey guys, it's Sarah from Crafty Gamer Ones, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this off-the-shoulder shirt out of a button-down shirt that you either don't like anymore, it's too big, it's old, you don't like anymore, and how to upcycle it. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what the shirt looked like originally. Yeah, it's just a basic button-down shirt, nothing too special. So to start, I'm gonna cut off the top part like an inch and a half over where the second button, I guess, is. The one that's like, so there's the button that's on the collar and then there's the one next down. I'm gonna cut it 1.5 inches above the second button down, as you can see on the screen. So yeah, just look there. And I'm just gonna cut off that top part completely, get rid of it, or not get rid of it because we're gonna need that for the straps later, but yeah, get rid of it for now. Then I'm gonna just take off the pocket because I don't want a pocket on mine, and then I'm gonna unbutton it and hem it. So I'm gonna fold it over 1/2 inch first, and then 1 inch, so sorry, it was 2.5 inches above the first button, so that you can have room for a 1 inch wide elastic. So this is what I'm talking about, because you need a button there so that it won't come apart. You need a button to keep like the elastic together. It's kind of confusing to tell, but hopefully you understand if you're gonna make this. I don't know what I'm doing now. Oh, now I'm just sewing over the part that I pinned. So I'm starting on both ends, and then I'm gonna go from the back middle to the armholes, because the armholes, they're kind of like bunchy. So yeah, I need to like go from weird parts to do that. Again, confusing stuff. Yeah, so then you go from the middle of the armholes out so that the bunches end up in not weird locations, and it doesn't like completely make everything in your hem go off. It's kind of confusing, but hopefully you kind of understand. See, I'm going from the middle of the armhole out. Yeah, so then I'm just gonna button this up. I don't know why I'm buttoning that up, but yeah. Now I'm just gonna measure a piece of elastic around my arms where it's gonna sit. Yeah. Then I'm just gonna cut that to the right size. Now I'm just gonna thread the elastic through the hole that we made for it. Yeah, for some reason I forgot to put this in time lapse at the start, so yeah, I had to cut a lot of it out. But yeah, so if you're gonna make this, make the opening a little bigger than your elastic, because I made it exactly 1 inch, and some parts I went in, so that's why I'm sewing this right now, because I had to seam rip it all out and re-sew it, and it was very annoying, so don't do what I did. But I finally got it all done, and now it's time for the sleeves. So I'm just like pinching it where I want the sleeves to be, and then I'm just gonna cut it. My sleeves ended up being a little bit different length, so yeah, make sure I would try it on before you pin it and everything, just to make sure it's the right length, the same lengths on both sides. But yeah, I don't know. I think they're close enough. Nobody will notice, right? But yeah, now I'm just hemming it. I'm doing a double hem, so I'm gonna fold it over once and then again, just so that it's clean on the inside and on the outside. I don't know what I'm doing now. What am I doing? I have no idea. Okay, now I'm just gonna hem the other side, and then I'm gonna cut the bottom off. Wait. No, I'm not. Okay, now I'm hemming the other side. I'm bad at voiceovers. So I'm gonna hem the other sleeve, and then I'm just gonna chop off the bottom to hem that, because I don't like how the bottom sits. Okay, so now I'm finally actually chopping off the bottom. I measured this before, and now I'm just gonna hem it all up. This is a very long seam, but it was pretty easy because it's just a straight line. So, yeah. Now I have some YouTube playing while I do this so that I don't get bored because it's a long seam and everything. It looks kind of cool on the time lapse having the YouTube going on. Okay, now I'm making the straps, which is basically just a piece of the same elastic that we used for the top, and I'm just sandwiching it in between some of the scrap fabrics that we have, and yeah, that's basically all. And I'm just gonna try that on and make sure it's like all in the right position before I sew it in. And if you don't want to add the straps, you don't have to. Yeah, I just wanted to add the straps so that it didn't accidentally fall all the way down. Yeah, that would be bad. So I like having the straps for security, make sure it doesn't fall off. Yeah. So here's what it looks like when it's done. So you can see the hems and straps. And then I kept the buttons in the middle because I thought that would look good. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. I don't really have anything else to say for this video. But yeah. Anyway, bye!